Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I think are supposed to be pretty nice out. So if I record tomorrow's video right now and then Wednesday's video too, I could record Thursday, Friday, and Saturday's video on Wednesday. And then I have the whole week done, and then those extra few days I just record 4 videos a day and just put them all on flash drives. So that will get us ahead of ourselves for the flash drive content that we'll have to upload when it's so cold that we cannot ride. But it's still pretty chilly out today. I was a little determined if I should go out or not. But you know, what makes me a boss is doing stuff like this. Recording cold weather for you guys because you guys are awesome. And I can't miss tomorrow's upload. I mean, it's not like freezing where you cannot ride. It's just not very comfortable. And actually, let me pull over real quick and just make sure we're recording really quick before I ride for 10 minutes to stop the video and make another one and discover that we're not recording. Okay, we have been recording. We've been recording for at least 5 minutes, so that's good. And I might record Thursday's video too. No, let's just see how cold it gets after I'm done with these 2 videos. So yeah, this ride you'll be seeing tomorrow on Tuesday, and then I'm gonna record Wednesday's ride, and let's see how we feel after that, and then we'll see if we want to record Thursday's ride too. Because if we do that, Wednesday when we go out, we could do flash drive rides. Thursday we do flash drive rides. And one ride for Friday. I plan on getting at least 60 rides on a flash drive. I already got like 15. If you're wondering why I'm not going on the main road right now, there's your answer. It is cold out. It's still cold going through the neighborhoods. So I gotta get something made for Tuesday. That title name of being a certified boss don't just make itself. You gotta do stuff that you don't want to do to earn that title. Earn that name. Come on, Mercedes. And I do got a merchandise store. I do have merchandise, t-shirts and hoodies. But in order to connect the merchandise store to the YouTube channel, we need to get monetized. Which means we need to get all of our watch hours in. So if you don't mind, just go to all my videos on my channel and just put them on repeat when you sleep. Just find the longest ride you find and just play that on repeat on silent whenever you go to sleep. Just like plug your phone in to the charger and just put it on repeat and put it on silent so it plays while you're sleeping. You don't even have to listen to it. Just please do that for me so we get our watch hours in. I believe we're at 400 something watch hours, and we need 4,000 hours watch time. So. And you can also share my videos with your social media platforms and friends and family to help us get watch hours that way too. And by you liking the video, will show YouTube that you like the video, and they'll also help us get a little more views. we're just gonna bust a ride and go through here real quick. I should probably make Tuesday's ride a little longer because we need to get our watch hours in, and if the video's longer, that really helps us with the watch hours. So I don't know if it's gonna be 10 minutes. It might be a little longer than 10 minutes, just for the watch hours and the watch time. The watch time is however long somebody watches your video. That's however much watch time you guys, what I get. So the longer you guys stay with me on these rides, the better it is for me and the channel. And I appreciate that so much. If you guys stay from like the moment I hit record to the end of when I'm stopping recording, that really helps, and I appreciate it. So if you're one of those people that does that for me, thank you very much. You're awesome. That girl crazy back there for wearing short shorts and a hoodie and walking in the cold weather, but yeah, then I should be calling myself crazy for riding in this weather. But you know, you gotta do boss things to be that boss. That dude's probably thinks I'm crazy too. Hey, I gotta get the content done. Rides aren't going to make themselves. Alright, let's see here. What we're at, guys. What are we at? Please tell me we're at least like 13 minutes, maybe. Maybe 12 minutes. I don't know. Let's see. We're not even past the 10 minutes yet. Is it on 9? I'm about to find out. Just give me 15 seconds. Let's just chill here for a minute, you know, and see if it's about to go on 10. Seems like 5 more seconds. 8, 9, and is it 10? It is 10. Alright, so we just hit 10 minutes. I'm gonna push it a little longer. We're gonna go right instead of left. Push it a little longer. Making Wednesday's video after this. As much as I want to just get off the bike with this cold out, I'm not gonna. I'd like to move to like Indiana or somewhere where it's warm for like an extra month or so, you know. Because Chicago, man, it doesn't do it. It gets cold. Like at the end of September, it starts getting really cold out. This year we've been lucky with all the nice weather. Like mid-October, beginning of October is when you start to not be able to ride anymore for the season. And it's September 23, right? Yes, it's the 23rd. So our days are being numbered. Let's go right. Bikelife and Wood Creek. So we was just on Wood Creek, now we're going left on Greenview. I don't know exactly where we're at, I just remember this little path right here. How long the ride is now. Let's check it out. 14 minutes, perfect. Alright, that's gonna help us with our watch hours. Now all you guys need to do is stay from the point that I start recording to the point which is now, which I'm ending recording. If you do that for me, and share my rides to the social media platforms, and give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you want to be a part of this community, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It's free to do. If you want to be a part of those things, and if you want to do that for me, that would really help me out, and I'd really appreciate you so much for that. It'll help the channel out, it'll help the channel grow and stuff. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. You'll see this ride tomorrow sometime, so be sure to have that bell notification button turned to all so you don't miss out on the upload. Peace.